Hello guys, I'm Bruce Johnson. I'm here with Kennedy Garant, my daughter, and today we're going to show you how we made a Wheel of Fortune. All right, take a look.
So basically what I'm doing is just taking like construction paper, colored construction paper, and I'm using a ruler to trace out a triangle. And then when I finish my first triangle, I just trace it for my second triangle. The triangles are for to make a wheel. Yeah, it's gonna be like how, like it's gonna have food on it, like what we're gonna have for lunch, for dinner, all of that. And when you're finished with this, just copy off of it. And if it's not the same height, that's okay.
Here we cut out the wheel from foam board. Pop, just like that. Here we have to drill a hole in the middle of the wheel. Okay, then we put a bolt on the wheel along with the nut washer so it spins easily. We had some trouble trying to get it to spin. So we just had to make adjustments with the washers to make sure that we used the right washers, big enough, and spaced them out so the wheel could spin freely. I made a stand with regular wood, just 2 pieces of wood, cut them to the right size so the wheel could spin, then screwed them together with 2 screws. Very easy. It's very sturdy, stands on its own as you see.
And then we put it on. So, spin it. Just to go like this. Hi everyone, I just wanted to say that you can make wheels yourself. You only need paper, some wood and other materials. Thingamabobs. So, and screws, and lots of nails, 7 nails, guys. It depends on how big your circle is. That's all.